Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to set your date and time. So first you'll start the vehicle and make sure your display's lit up, and then from here you go to Apps, Settings, System, and then Clock/Date, and then here you can do military time or your regular, and then here you can switch how you want your date displayed, in what order, and you can switch the time zone. And here, if you want to manually change the time, you can do that, or just have it auto, so it just auto syncs with its GPS internet connection. And that's it. But yeah, I just do everything from this screen. And then if you use daylight savings on or off, that's easier than having to toggle it around yourself with the manual mode. And your time zones here. I'm in mountain, so I'll leave it on that, but you can change it by just selecting a different one. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.